Holy crap, look at that. That was awesome. Hey everyone, today we are going to be taking on the shotgun only challenge because that clip right there inspired me to do a challenge where I only use shotguns. So I was originally going to use Bangalore for this challenge, but then I remembered that Maggie exists, the new legend, and she has the ability to run faster with shotguns. So I think she'll be great for this challenge. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first round we actually got the goods, but it took way too long to find people, and when I did, I just died right after dealing 9 damage and knocking someone, so let's just skip to the second round. Okay, this round, we're gonna play aggressive because we gotta get straight into the action for that content. So, I say we land right here and hope we get a shotgun random landing. Yes, okay. It's Mozambique, but we'll make it work. Ooh. Knocks one. I gotta step back though. Knox, I eliminated him, let's go. Okay, we're doing good. Oh yes. Okay, perfect. We almost got that knock on the horizon, but we're gonna finish it. Okay, that's gonna give us time to heal. Yes, damn damage. Oh, they took my kill. Oh, there's too many people. Oh, that was good though. That was good. Take 2. Try states. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, let's get this party started. Just gotta hope shotgun. Please a shotgun. Oh yes, we got Epic though. That's amazing. Yes. Okay, we got a shotgun. There's a B. Oh, there's a mastiff. Okay. Knocked someone. Knocked another. Oh yeah. Gotta go up. I think he just revived. Okay, eliminated. Gotta do a shield swap really quick. Where's this guy at? Where is he? This is so weird. Let's hope this is one person. It's not one person. Damn. This time around, feel like we can get lucky with a shotgun right here. Probably gonna be completely wrong and not get anything here, but it's worth a shot. Okay, Mozambique. It's good enough. It's good enough. It's right below me. I think it's like all. Oh, he's all the way below. Knocked one. Oh, there's a lot of people up here. You did not expect that, sir, did you? You did not expect that. Oh, So what have we learned? First off, using only shotguns is actually fun. Sure, it'll most definitely result in you dying, but it's fun. Also, Maggie is good. More people need to play her, seriously. Like, what, only 1% of the Apex players play Maggie? Like, I don't get it. She has a good kit, it's fun to run around with a shotgun. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like, and please consider subscribing. I got a ton of content, mostly random, but we're trying to keep it consistent here. Anyways, I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope to see you next one. Goodbye.
Ah, that's hot. That's hot.